CPA your CPA. One of the most valuable services MSPs perform is helping people with their taxes. But sometimes, But rather than having that person walk away and never bring you any more business, there is an alternative. You can contact MSBN and we can find a CPA with a channel partnership agreement, CPA. You'll get a marketing referral fee and you can keep that customer and help them with other services. You have two choices. Or the choice is yours. Call Dr. Pete for more info. 773-372-9656.